Okay, hello. Today I'm going to teach a science class. My science class is about animals around us. Let's continue. First of all, we have our microlearning plan, in which you are going to see the different steps that we can follow when we want to create a class. Then we have our animals sound. You're going to see this. This is a warm-up that I present in which you're going to watch an activity about everything related to animals. Let's watch it. So here we have the different name of the animals. Cat, mouse, dog, rabbit. What is that sound? Let's see. This is a rabbit. So you are going to check the different animals that appear and check what is the sound that appears. This is in YouTube. This is a wolf, hyena, fox, and badger. Let's see what animal is here. So this is the wolf. So this kind of activity is really nice for our students to recognize the animal's sound. What sound is this? Sheep, pig, cow, or horse? What is it? Let's see. It is a pig. Very good. Then we have here our video presentation. This is a short explanation about animals around us. Let's watch it. Okay. So this was our video presentation about animals around us. We also have an activity that is about animals, all about animals. Let's recognize them. Let's watch it. In this kind of game, we are going to recognize animals, some aspects about the animals, and I made this game in Wordle. So let's watch a little bit of it. It's the shark. So for this, you have different sentences. And by the way, you need to know what animal is that. We have animals here, which are dangerous, which are tame, animals of the jungle, animals of the farm. Okay, it lives in the farm and has feathers. The hen. And with this kind of digital resource for your warm-up or any kind of game, you have the chance to choose the different interactive games with the same content. It's really interesting. It is a fur animal, the bear. So do you see? Do you like it? and your students are going to enjoy it. So you can create this kind of game in World. You see? So this was the game in World, okay? Everything related to animals. We also have a second activity that is in word art. In this, I add a list of animal names and I create a shape, a figure about an animal. In this, I made a horse, yeah? So you have the chance to work in word art and create all the different animals that you want. Our students are going to make one in word art creation, okay? So I hope they are going to enjoy it. We also have an activity about flashcards. For this is to recognize the animals. We have the names of the animals, mountain lion, rhino, zebra, and so on, other animals. If you check here, we have the zebra, we have a dog, we have a raccoon. So flashcards are really interesting to know. And I found this link about flashcards in kids pages in which you can find different animals. These are wild animals. Then we have, as closure, we have a video about animals in action. You will see. This is a kind of activity, a closing activity in which our students will enjoy and will finish to learn more about animals. Let's watch it. So you will learn animal section, the name of the animals, and our students will enjoy it. This is a great, great activity. Okay, so did you like the closing activity? It was really great, yeah? So, but they have homework. In this, the homework is related to animals again, but they are going to recognize all the animals. The title of the homework is Which Animal Am I? So these are like riddles in which they are saying the different things about an animal. I live on land, I've got sharp teeth, I'm a wild animal, I eat meat. People call me the king of the jungle. Which animal am I? So you have to think which animal is the lion. And we have many animals, so they have to choose the correct one and then they have to click here to check their work. The name of this is Live Worksheets, and it's really nice to create activities in this kind of resource. Okay, so this is all about animals around us. Okay, so I hope you enjoy my class. So this is the topic. It's a science class, and our students are going to like this. This is a presentation in Genially, and as you know, I use different kind of digital resources. Thank you.